Guys, my name is Donna and I'm a YouTuber based in Lagos, Nigeria, and I upload videos on personal improvement, vlogs and how-to videos. If it's your first time of seeing my face, please don't forget to click on that red subscribe button and turn on your bell notification so you'll be notified when I post a new video. I will definitely ask you to subscribe because on this channel, we learn a whole lot here. If you're doubting me, go through my video, you will definitely gain one value. And in today's video, I will be talking about how to improve your video quality without lightning on Capcut for all social media. After filming, just download Capcut app. It works on all phones and it even works for laptop. So when you download Capcut app, now you can move to these steps I want to show you in the video. Let's move into my phone and let me show you how to elevate your video and make the quality of your video look good for all social media. So let's go straight to my phone. So guys, welcome to my phone. As you can see, this is the front interface of my phone. So guys, let's move on to the business that brought us to my phone. You record on your phone, then you edit with Capcut. By this time, I'm sure you already know what Capcut is, but if you don't know, this is how Capcut look like, and you can download Capcut on Play Stores for those that use Android. For Android user like me, you can download Capcut on Play Store. This is what Play Store look like. Let's open up our Capcut app. This is our Capcut app. We will go to new project. Let's use one of those video on my phone. So you click on a video and you put add, and after you put add, this is the video. This is a tutorial, so I don't need to use all the videos on my phone. Now we'll tap on that video like so. When you tap on your video, you will see this interface here. This one, my hand is moving. Let me see if I can. This interface here. Once you click on your video, you look for adjust menu and you go to adjust. Then you come across different options here. You use the sharpened option. You go to sharpened, the one I circled now. Then you tap on sharpened and you increase it to 100%. You see, like so. Then sometimes it depends on the kind of video. I go to saturation. This saturation, the one I circled, and I tap on it and I move it to 5. You see, and I go to contrast. Let me cycle contrast as so, and I tap on contrast. I move it to 5 and you click mark, and that is it. Look at how the quality of my video improve, but it look like if it's making me orangey. My face is orangey, so I'm going to go back and change the saturation to 0 and the contrast to 0, and let's see. Look at how my face look like. You see there's a difference between this video. There's a difference between how my face look here and how my face look like when I use saturation of 5 and contrast of 5. You can see the difference. Now look at how orangey my face is looking like. Saturation and contrast always increases the facial look. It makes it more orangey, so most times I don't use it at all, or I use it like 1. I put it in 1 and see the difference between when I didn't use saturation and contrast 5 and when I use it. Okay, so you have to go back and reduce the saturation to 0 and contrast to 0. Now look at how my face is looking better. So you can do this for any video, be it a reel, be it YouTube video, any video. Even if you want to edit your personal video, you can do this and your video will have good quality. Make sure when you want to export your video, look at where my hand is, 108p. You just have to put it in that resolution of the 1080p. Okay, that's where your resolution should be, in the highest. Then your frame rate should be in 30, and the other side should be in recommended. You see, this is how your video resolution should be. The other tip I have to give to you: when shooting your video, make sure you shoot your video with the back camera. Using your back camera gives it a better and crisper look. Like this video you are seeing now, I use my back camera to film it. See how good it's looking. Imagine when I use my front camera, it will not be looking this good and crisp. So by the time you're editing your video, the editing software don't have much to do to elevate your video. So that is just the trick or two. And when you're shooting with the back camera, make sure you're shooting with the highest resolution. If the highest on your phone is 2K, shoot with 2K. If the highest on your phone is 1K, shoot with 1K. Example, the video is in 2K. That is the highest. 2K, as you can see. So there is 8MP and 7, but I shoot in 2K. I shoot in 2K to get better quality for the video. Consider this point in mind when shooting your video. It will make your video better. Whether you're shooting for TikTok, you're shooting for Instagram reels, you're shooting for Facebook video, make sure you always shoot in the highest resolution to give that video crisper look. Okay, so that's all I have to say about elevating your video. So after doing those steps, you just export your video like so on Capcut. Please give this video a huge like so it can get to more people, and it will tell the algorithm the video is good so people can watch and learn. And this is my video. So guys, let's go to my gallery so we can watch the video and you will see how it look like on my gallery. And I'm sure this is the video. So guys, this is the video playing, and you can see how crisp this video looks with just that little touch up we did. You can see how crisp the video looks. Just give this video a huge like so the algorithm, it will tell the algorithm. Give this video a huge like so it will tell the algorithm that this video is good enough and it should get to so many people. Leave a comment on anything you don't understand and I'm ready to explain better. And also share this video so it will get to more people and a lot of people watch and learn. Okay, I will definitely see you in my next video. Bye guys.
But